You know what most people never realize? Getting rich is easy, but staying rich, that's the real challenge. You can make money once, but can you keep it? Can you grow it? That's where true wealth begins. Wealth doesn't start in your bank account. It starts in your mind. If you think poor, you'll always chase money. If you think rich, money starts chasing you. The difference? The poor see money as the goal. The rich see it as a tool. Wealthy people don't ask, how can I make money today? They ask, how can I create value that lasts forever? Because when you master your thoughts, you master your income. If you want to get rich, stop working only for money. Start working for freedom. Money doesn't grow by chance. It grows by choice. The choice to save. The choice to invest. The choice to learn. You don't get wealthy by earning more. You get wealthy by managing what you earn wisely. The rich don't spend to look rich. They invest to stay rich. Every dollar you waste today could have been a seed for your financial freedom tomorrow. Staying rich isn't about more income. It's about more discipline. Anyone can make money once. Few can manage it every day. If you can't control your emotions, you'll never control your finances. Greed makes you spend more. Fear stops you from investing. Both destroy wealth silently. Remember, you don't lose money because of mistakes. You lose it because of mindset. Here's what the wealthy truly understand. They don't chase money. They build systems. They let time, patience, and compounding do the work. They invest in themselves first, then in their knowledge, then in assets that grow. And the secret? They stay quiet while they grow. They don't flex it, they protect it. Because real wealth is not in showing off. It's in never worrying about money again. If you want to get rich, stay rich, and build wealth, stop focusing on how much you earn. Start focusing on how much you keep. Master your mindset, master your habits, master your discipline. Because wealth isn't built overnight. It's built quietly, by people who stay consistent when no one's watching.